Hey guys, Emo Kitten Forever here, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to apply these this thermoplastic beads that you can use on your teeth. So I'm going to show you how to use these with these fangs. You guys can already tell there's some adhesive already on them, so I might just show you how it goes with this, because honestly when you do it, it's similar to how I'm going to do it with these teeth. So what you're going to need is your fake fangs, your thermoplastic adhesive, honestly I would suggest a clear cup, a small clear one, because the fact that they go from white to clear, as well as something to, ignore my makeup, something to grab them with, so like a fork, because this is the thing, as soon as they get sticky, they'll stick to anything, so you can use plastic, wood, anything you want. So yes, I am using the Yohi 13 millimeters with no issue. So, first things first, when you wear these kind of adhesive, you are not going to be eating. You can drink probably from a straw, but you will not be eating. 2, if you have braces or Invisaligners, I would suggest don't do this, because this can actually mess up your orthodontist's work. 3, before you do this, brush your teeth. You don't want to have a nasty smelling mouth, and it's going to mess up the adhesive if you don't brush your teeth ahead of time. So, give me a second. So, first thing you're going to need is some hot water. This is mildly hot. So, again, you don't need it to be boiling, you just need it hot. So, first things first is I'm going to just drop my fangs in. Because these are plastic, I can just drop them in the heat. And as you see, it goes from the white to the clear rather quickly. Rather quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of it just sticks to the tooth. Giving them a minute to heat up. Because it's like, they look clear. They're getting clear. So while we wait for this, I will also tell you, like, one other thing is the fact that these are prosthetic. I would suggest doing this, like, a week before an event. Like, if you're doing this for Halloween, do it on a week before. Just so you can fit it and get used to the prosthetic in your mouth before the big event. Because you don't want to have it and not be used to it. Like, wearing lashes on a big date. If you're not used to lashes, you don't want to do that. So as you guys can see, the prosthetic is now clear. See, I get closer to the water. It's getting steamy because it's really hot. Literally, I had to use my coffee maker just to double boil this water. Because it wasn't hot enough, so I had to boil it again. So I'm going to go ahead and just get the fork. Bring it out. And I'm going to kind of try to gently place you down while I pull it off. So, as you guys can see, I take the prosthetic and I start moving the gel into the tooth. So we have this nice little, completely nice little prosthetic. And then I'm going to gently fasten it into my mouth because it's gotten a minute to cool. So I dry my tooth and then I gently adhesive to the tooth. Give it a minute. I don't know, this is not a pretty picture. I just got makeup all over me. Oh well. You can reapply. Honestly, for me, I would suggest do your makeup ahead of time, but give that a minute. So it's now fastened into my mouth, and I'm just going to let it cool and set in my mouth for a second while I do the other tooth. So give me a quick minute. Okay, so both teeth are in. So, So again, you want to brush your teeth beforehand. If you will have a minute of just readjusting the teeth. So if you do have lip makeup on, yeah, you're going to take a minute. Because another thing is why I say Also, why am I wearing a hat in my house? It's a little cold, and two, I don't want my hair to get in the way of the plastic, because again, it's plastic. So once it's cooled down a little in your mouth, because again, it is going to be a little heated, so you are going to gently wiggle your teeth like a 5-year-old trying to get rid of a loose tooth. Like a 5-year-old getting rid of a loose tooth for the tooth fairy. So you just wiggle, 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 and kind of go at the top of the adhesive, at the top of the tooth. And from the back, so that it'll come right out. So you'll want to have that cool by itself for a second. This one always gives me some trouble. So I take out the teeth. See? Nice, clean, nothing wrong with my teeth after other than they're slightly yellow. And half my lip makeup is gone. But if anything, once it's cooled, your teeth will be ready completely, so you can just apply back into your mouth really quickly. Just 1, 2, 3. And there. They'll just fit right back in, and you'll have no issues for the rest of the day. So just let your hair down and have fun with this Halloween. Later, guys.